Hello students, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, this is one of the important concept for the NEET examination point of view. So, if you observe carefully, Dalton's atomic theory mainly explains about indivisibility of an atom. Indivisibility of an atom. Okay, let us see what are the postulates that is given by Dalton in his theory. We will discuss about the postulates. Right. According to him, atom is the smallest particle of an element. Atom is smallest particle of an element. Atom is smallest particle of an element. And also he said it cannot be further subdivided. It cannot be further subdivided. This is the one postulate given by Dalton. And another postulate is atoms of same elements are same but differ with the another element. Okay, so atoms of same elements are same. Atoms of same element are same but differ with the atoms of another element. But differ with atoms of another element. This is a second postulate that is given by Dalton. And another postulate is, and he said that when atoms of one element combine with the atoms of another element, they form the simplest ratio. Okay, let us see. Atoms of one element combine with atoms of another element. Atoms of another element they form simplest ratio. Which means, for suppose if there is a and B atoms are there. So if A and B atoms, when they combine with each other and they form a compounds like a AB or AB2 or A2B3 like this. For suppose here it is a 1:1 ratio, this is a 1:2 ratio, it is a this is a 2:3 ratio. Like this simplest ratio will be formed. The simplest ratio is also considered like a stoichiometric ratio. It is a stoichiometric ratio. Stoichiometric ratio. Okay, and one more point that is given by the Dalton, that's nothing but atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Atoms can neither be created or nor be destroyed. Nor be destroyed. So these are the four postulates that is given by the Dalton. Okay. So if you observe carefully these postulates, the first one is atom is the smallest particle of an element which cannot be further subdivided. Atoms of same elements are same but differ with the atoms of another element. And atoms of one element combined with the atoms of another element, they form simplest ratio like a stoichiometric ratio they will form. And another postulate is atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. But unfortunately, the all the postulates that is given by Dalton proved as a wrong. Let us see why these postulates proved as a wrong. Okay, so let us see this one. All the above postulates, all the above postulates proved as wrong. Proved as wrong. Let us see one by one. The first postulate that is given: atoms of same atom cannot be further subdivided. It is given, but atom can be further subdivided into electrons, protons, and neutrons. So atoms can be further subdivided into electrons, protons, and neutrons. So that means postulate 1 is proved as a wrong. Next postulate, it is given atoms of same elements are same but differ with the different elements is given. But atoms of same elements also is different due to existence of isotopes. Okay. So due to existence of isotopes, existence of isotopes, atoms of same element also different. Atoms of same element also different. For suppose, if you can take the hydrogen, if you take hydrogen, hydrogen exists as a three isotopes, that nothing but the protium, deuterium, one more it is tritium. That means atoms of same element also different. Okay, which means our second postulate also proved as wrong. Next, third postulate given: atoms when they combine with the another element atoms, they form simplest ratio. But there is an existence of non-stoichiometric compounds. There is an existence of non-stoichiometric compounds. Non-stoichiometric compounds. What is the meaning of non-stoichiometric compounds? Which is not having simplest ratio. For suppose, if you take Fe 0.930, Ni 0.960, which means here iron and oxygen are present in a fractional ratio like 0.93 is to 1. Here nickel and oxygen present as a fractional ratio like 0.96 is to 1, which means there are compounds which are having fractional ratio 2. So our third postulate is also proved as wrong. And another postulate given by Dalton is atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. But atoms can be created, can also be destroyed by using artificial radioactivity. Okay. So we know atoms can be created and also destroyed by using artificial radioactivity. So, and the another postulate also proved as a wrong. Okay. So all the Dalton postulates are proved as a wrong. But Dalton's theory successfully explained about there are some laws. Those laws successfully explained by Dalton's atomic theory. Okay. If you see this one, Dalton's atomic theory successfully explained law of conservation of mass, law of conservation of mass. Second thing, law of constant proportions or definite proportions, law of constant proportions. And third one, law of multiple proportions. Proportions. Okay. These three theories, these three laws successfully explained by Dalton's atomic theory. So these are explained by Dalton's atomic theory, DAT. Okay. So from this, there is a question at the 2025 NEET. Okay. At NEET 2025, a question given from here. Dalton's atomic theory could not explain. Question is Dalton's atomic theory could not explain. So they are given four options like law of conservation of mass, law of conservation of mass, and option 2, law of constant proportions, law of constant proportions, and another one, law of multiple proportions. And one more, it is given law of gaseous volume. So out of given one, Dalton's atomic theory successfully explained law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportions, law of multiple proportions, and our correct answer for this question is so Dalton's atomic theory could not explain law of gaseous volume. So option 4 is the correct option. Okay. Thank you.